ask you to make a left lane change. Section here, when it's safe and possible, go ahead and make a left lane change. Good, just before the intersection started, right on. Left turn at the traffic lights. If you can here, Shubahm, when you come into this lane, try to get a little closer to the yellow line instead of this white line here, so you're further away from the driving lane. If you look in the side mirror here, see how close the side of the car is to the white line? So just, if you can, when you come in, just